Hi, it's Rachel here again. Today I wanted to share with you Homespun Magazine. Homespun is an Australian sewing magazine. Primarily it deals with quilting, but there are quite often embroidery projects and also besides quilts, bags, there can be cushions, knitting, crochet, basket making, all kinds of creative projects that involve threads and fabrics. This year, my project that I designed with my sister is featured in the magazine. We designed the block of the month for this year, so it's going to be in the magazine from February until November. So I thought I'd go just quickly show you the magazine to give you an idea of what it's like, and then I'll show you our project. Just a quick note, the magazine can be bought on Zinio as a digital magazine or on Google Play, or otherwise you can subscribe to their website and it will be delivered by the postman to your home, so you'll have a physical copy of it. So I'll just flick through this month's magazine and then very quickly, and then just so you get an idea without showing you everything, and then maybe another one, and then I'll show you our project. So this the feature of this magazine this month is horses on the cover, but there's only one project in there with horses. And then here you can see the variety of projects that there are. So there's softies, there's some knitting, a couple of quilts, there's a makeup roll to hold your brushes, cushions, all kinds of things. And then often, which is kind of cool in the magazine too, is they will feature some kind of like embroidery artist or well-known quilter, and so you can learn a little bit about them as well. So I think I'll just pick it up and flick through like this, so you can, I'll just stand up so I can see better. You'll have a page where there's colours and pattern, and then projects, and the projects are done very well, so they're quite easy to follow, very well explained, and they often use diagrams. So I'll just flick through this one. It's super cute softie. There's an article about Tone Fininger, who designs Tilda. I don't know if anybody knows that. It's very famous, and that she designs beautiful fabrics. And that's what we used for our project, the new range from Tilda that came out in January called Lemon Tree. It was lovely to work with. The biggest challenge for us in the project was that we were limited in the fabrics we could use, because they created kits for it. So anyone who wanted to use the exact fabrics the same as us, they could buy kits. So we had to limit what we used. So you can see there's many projects in the magazine. I hope I'm not making you feel seasick. And then here in this issue, it's towards the back, is the project My Butterfly Patch that I designed with my sister. It was also challenging for us because I live in Italy and she lives in Sydney, and but you know, we were able to divide our jobs fairly well and in a fairly clean manner, so it worked out well. So basically, with the block of the month, each block will come out every month. So this came out in February, this is March, and then this is this month's. Next month will probably be this one, and then this one, and so on. And if you decided to participate in the block of the month but you missed the first two issues, you can always back order them on Homespun's website, or otherwise you can purchase the digital copy on Zinio and have it in your iPad. So that's this month's issue, and then maybe I'll show you, that was the first issue with our project, and then February, and then this is March issue with this gorgeous embroidery as well. So there were lots of nice. Well, here's our project again. Yeah, I love that photograph with the quilt in the garden. And then, oops, sorry. And then there's all kinds of lovely projects in the magazine to do. So gorgeous pillows, quilts, all kinds of things. Yarn, another quilt, so pretty. Yeah. So I've decided to remake the quilt, and because obviously we only made one and we're not going to cut it in half, so I can have half and my sis can have half. So I'm remaking it, and I've chosen some different colors. I'm not reusing the same Tilda fabric just to keep it interesting. Otherwise I might be a little bit bored doing the same thing all over again. So I think in the next videos I may show how I chose my fabrics, what sorts of fabrics I chose, and then I might also show, I need to finish my first block, I'm a little bit behind, and I might show how I do my needle turn applique in a quick little video. And maybe in the future I'll show a few more videos of me doing something for that project. So this is the February issue here, where our project first came out. So it was very exciting for us. It's such an honour to be asked to design a block of the month, when there are so many people. The people who have done it previously are people that we admire so much, and we just couldn't believe that we were asked to do it. So yeah. Okay. So I think that's it for today. If anybody has any questions, please ask, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me or stay up to date. Instagram is always the place where I'm most up to date, and then I often blog, although I haven't done it for about a month because I was so busy. And then of course I sell patterns and physical products in my Etsy shop. Thank you. Bye.